complete murder. A little liar on them border.
What we tell them, star? Little lion son. I tell some son boy straight up. Looking at where facing the welcome take man for punk. They sick of them must say mad and they must say blood clot drunk. Fucking stun somewhere you watch I pull off stunk on your confront lion you get smoke like a blunt. Kill him any second, any time, any month. Now bother try pose like a dub plate monk. You take sound for chunk, you go feel the brunt. Why? Find your sound in a trunk. Fool! Murder, 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 murder. You try to test the lion sound, you're not go further. It's murder, 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 murder. I who them the boy there? They will never heard of. Bro, stepping out the place like V54. Don't sound boy can come test we know. We're better than Bruce Lee and Rambo. Click, click, pow, pow. How you like me now? One for the money, a two for the show. I'm going in like Geronimo. On the microphone, I'm a lyrical pro. Who better than Lion? No, 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 no. Hit him with it high, hit him with it low. Take me to the speakers and the headphone. The whole place turn up when time we touchdown. We're better than Bruce Lee and Al Capone. We kill them all already and we come back alone. And just like Alaska we come back so cold. The who tell them boys say them coulda test we got the artillery ever ready. Jennifer leave it on them back now with the lyrical key. And when me come out that's a coming legendary. Jennifer leave it on the mic, the VIP. I'm the MVP, can't you see yo? Jennifer, leave it on the melody in the pattern and solid. Never try by anybody yo. General they a man mash up the show. Anyway we got the people like how we flow. Yeah, that's how we do it right here now. Yo, hey, some gal them favored up it. 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 Me say me know one girl, she named JCT. She come in and me have to get the jiggy jiggy. But when she take off the clothes, believe you me, the girl body coming like World War III. Me say yo favored up it. Some gal them favored up it. Some gal them favored up it. Some gal them favored up it. So what? Lyrics talker, gimmicks one. That's why they to the back leaving. So the G can will creep before you walk. That's why they to the back leave it. So the G can leave it. Just a come like a nuclear bomb. Talk to the boys, talk to the girls, talk to the women, talk to the men, talk to the bench, and talk to the young generation. I get them song, but the bang, ding dang. But you come to the Balibi with the computer tongue. Don't get the sit down to the sing ding dang, diggy diggy dang, pee number one. To the Balibi with the computer tongue. Got to the my little lion tougher, done iron. I did for sound test and definitely going on. Cause we had it done. Number one, champion, can do. Any session, any region. Can make them know we bring the hey.